Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix white screen in your laptop. For any reason you are not able to see any file or folder. So to resolve this problem, just you have to press Ctrl Alt Delete. Ctrl Alt Delete together in combination. Now here you have to click on this Task Manager. Now here you have to find out File Explorer. This one, Windows File Explorer. And if you not see here, so click on Run New Task and type here explorer.exe. And check this box. Create this task with administrative privilege. Then click on OK. So as we can see now that problem is resolved. Now exit and restart your system if you need. So this is the possible way, guys, and easy way you can try if your laptop screen is completely white. So thanks for watching and comment this method works for you or not.